We are going to start off with the box today because, I mean, you know, when do I start off with the box? All white 23 Jumpman box. But anyways, it's a giant sleeve and they offset the box, which is pretty cool. It's a little bit of a switch up. Box reads Air Jordan 37 LIGHTBONE Fire Red. Ooh, what do we have here? What do we have here? Box opens like so, and we're greeted with this nod to the Jordan 7 print. No colors, but it's see-through. Oh well, pretty premium looking. Box is actually pretty cool, and it's very angular in its design. They didn't actually go with a straight box this time. They definitely gave it some angles. The Jordan 37 LIGHTBONE. I like to call this the Bordeaux colorway because this really kind of looked like Bordeaux. But anyways, right off the bat is this Spider-Man web Lena weave. Whatever this is, man, I don't know. It looks kind of trashy to me. I ain't gonna hold you, man. This shit looks trash as hell, but it's really strong and it's really breathable and it's very flexible too. So, yo, what kind of Spider-Man weave is this? I mean, hey, it might look trashy, but it's probably gonna last me. Obviously, it's, you know, it's pretty functional. That's why they putting it on the shoe, fam. But as far as looks are concerned, it ain't the Jordans you grew up with. You know, everything on this shoe is TPU, or, you know, it's basically plastic. It don't matter where you look, other than this leather mud strip that goes all the way around the shoe. You know, if you got some stanky feet, there's no barrier between you and somebody else's nose like your mom do. She's gonna kick you out the house or throw these shoes straight out the window. The foot odor is gonna radiate up into your nostrils and anybody else that's close to you, straight up. Jordan branding right here on the heel. You have a see-through heel section that covers up the Formula 23 foam that they got locked inside the heel there. You have some angled phylon that basically runs through the mid portion of the shoe. So they got this Formula 23 phylon upgraded 5.0. They keep renaming phylon and I can't understand why. Just call it phylon, fam. Spade a spade. Michael Jordan branding right here on the back tab here with your Michael Jordan symbol. This thing is sturdy, man. Like, it's stiff. It ain't going nowhere. That's a serious pull tab. Air Jordan 37. They use the 3 dots in the 7. Fully neoprene inner with the neoprene booty, very similar to the Jordan 7. Ankle bags here that are very plush. Nice little pillowy section there for your ankles so that this thing doesn't chop you up. You know what I mean? These things can be sharp, dog, so it's good to have a little bit of compression here right where it counts. So basically this whole portion, this upper portion, is one full unit. It's not stitched anywhere. Eye stay section has a lot of that same TPU stuff that we're looking at. Nothing special going on here, but you do have this black and blue flat lacing that is really nice. I actually really like the laces on this. You know, when you get a pair of shoes, you can tell if it's been tried on before. Yeah, this is one of those. You can tell. This one had a little bit of dirt on it, so it is what it is. Somebody got to it before I did. Maybe somebody in the factory or somebody at Foot Locker. Air zoom unit in the front. Double stacked zoom unit, as I said before. I don't know about this traction pattern. It's very aggressive, and as far as I know from all the testing that we've seen, nobody really has had a problem with the traction so far. It's okay. It's okay, Jordan brand. We know somebody over there was smoking that loud pack when they came up with this traction pattern, like straight up LSD. They finally got rid of that Eclipse plate, which I hated so much, and went back to the carbon fiber shank plate. Runs probably about, you know, 2/3 of the way up the shoe, probably about to here. Still gives the shoe some spring, but also some flex. Thank God they finally got rid of that Eclipse plate, man. That shit was straight trash to begin with. Fuck that thing, man, straight up, because I don't know, this shit looked like straight dookie. As you can see here, they went with the yellow, red, and bluish, purplish, well, it's more purple colorway here on the outsole. Pretty cool stuff, man. Jordan branding here on the heel. Scoring champ, and you can see here the Jordan is actually in a different texture. MVP there in the corner, and right on the heel here it says back-to-back gold medal. A lot of different stuff hidden on this shoe. Red Jordan Jumpman branding here on the tongue, and they didn't give us that Bordeaux print. They didn't give us that Jordan 7 print that's familiar on the other models, but they did give us a very, very velvety tongue. I don't know what this is. This feels like velour or something like that. Really cool. And you have your purple outlining here with the 2 on the front and the 3 on the back. I really am not a fan of this dish rag type textile. I don't really like it. They do it to save weight, but I really don't agree with it. I don't like that stuff. As you can see here, you got the Jordan branding on the inside of the tongue as well. The one thing that is cool is the insole here, and the insole is really just you know, it follows suit and is a nod to the Jordan 7. Pretty cool stuff. I mean, orange, red, black, purple on the inside. But one thing's for sure, you ain't wearing these Jordans in winter. This is an indoor shoe only, because you try to wear these outside in a Canadian winter, fam, you're gonna lose 2 toes first hour. But these are a little bit funny when you see them in hand, but to tell you the truth, I kind of like how they look on foot. Now, I don't know what you guys think of these. I'm gonna call these the Jordan 37 Bordeaux's, although they might actually come out with a Bordeaux colorway, but I think this is as close as you're gonna get. Anyways, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. God damn it. Chop it in the neck, punch it in the throat. You already know what to do. Anyways, we're